Hello everyone, this is Gautami. In this video, I would like to explain you about how to take the backup of OpenOffice folder to a different drive and customization of some ODT reports in SchoolAdmin software as per the customer requirement. Now I am going to show how to take the backup of OpenOffice folder to the different drive from SchoolAdmin software folder. So go to C drive. Click on Program Files x86. Here, select SchoolAdmin software folder. Next, go to Tomcat. Next, click on Web Apps. Again, you have to select the SchoolAdmin folder. Here, click on Scripts. See, the OpenOffice folder is located here. So copy this in the desktop and paste it here. See, OpenOffice folder is pasted here. Now I am going to show how to edit or modify the ODT reports one by one. First, I am going to show how to edit or modify the ID card ODT report. So go to ID card.odt report. So copy this, then paste it in desktop. If you want to edit or delete or anything you can modify, first you have to copy in the OpenOffice folder, then you have to paste it in a desktop. Okay, open this. Now you can do the modifications here, like go to Format, click on Page. See, you can extend the width or else height, or else if you want the orientation as portrait, or else if you want landscape, you can click on landscape, then it will change it to landscape. You can extend the width if you want. Click on OK. See, the format is changed. Or else if you want portrait, change it to portrait itself. Okay. If you want to change font color, you can change the font color here. See, font color is changed. And also you can change the font type. See, font type is changed. Or else if you want to change the color here, you can change the color also. If you want to change color, you can change the color. See, color is changed. See, this is how we can make changes in the ID card ODT report. Once you changed or modify the report, click on File, then click on Save. The report is saved. Once the report is saved, this report must be saved to the software folder. So, copy this. Then go to the software folder, go to C drive, open Program Files x86, go to SchoolAdmin software folder, click on Tomcat, then go to Web Apps, again go to the SchoolAdmin folder, here click on Scripts, Here open the OpenOffice folder. So you can copy the ODT report of ID card, paste it here, replace the file. ID card report is replaced here. So then go to software. Log into the software. Then go to student reports. Click on student ID card. Here select class, section, and also select the particular student. Then click on PDF to view the student ID card. See, student ID card is displaying here, like how we modified. In the same way, you can edit or modify the student hall ticket ODT report. So copy the hall ticket.odt report. Copy, go to desktop and paste it here. Open this. You can do the modifications here. So you can extend this, or else you can give space for this, or else see the tables are extended here. Or else if you want to change the font color, you can change the font color. See, I'm changing the font color. If you want to change the complete background color, select all, and then background color, select the background color here. Select it, background color is changed now. Or else if you want some other color, change it to this. See, background color is changed. If you want to change the font color, change the font color. Select the font, change it to blue. Font color is changed here. Change this. Or else if you want to make the bold font, you can make it as bold. Select this, click on bold. This also, gender. Select the font color and click on bold. See, font color and font style is changed here. See, then save it. Same way you can copy this. Then go to the C drive. Go to C drive, program files x86, SchoolAdmin software folder, Tomcat, web apps, SchoolAdmin folder, scripts, OpenOffice. Then paste it here. Replace the file. See, the hall ticket ODT report is replaced here. Then go to software. Click on grading system. Click on generate hall ticket. Select class. Select section. Click on PDF to view the hall ticket. See, the font color is changed. Background color is changed. What we did in modifications. Next, I am going to show how to modify the fee payment quick receipt. So, copy this, then paste it in a desktop. Then open this. Now you can modify the report. See, if you want to add something,
Here you can add it, or else you can adjust the table. You can adjust the table here. See, if you want to adjust it. If you want to change color here, you can change the color. See, you can change it to green. Same. This also you can do the same. Once you did the modifications in the report, in the same way, first you have to save the report. Go to File, then save it. The report is saved now. And then this report will be copied to the SchoolAdmin software, as you know before. Once you copy to the software folder, in the same way you can view the fee reports in SchoolAdmin software. In the same way you can edit or modify the report card. So copy this, paste it in the desktop. Once the report is copied to the desktop, then you can edit or modify the same. So double click on this. Here you can modify or edit something. Here you can change the font size first. Okay, font size is changed. 12. Then you can change the font color also. Font background color. See. Background color was changed. Here also you can change the background color in this table. See. See, the font color was, the background color was changed. You can change the font style as well. See, the font color has changed. Same, you can adjust the table also. See. See. The table is rearranged. Once you modify the report, then go to File, save it, close it. Again in the same way you can copy the report, then go to SchoolAdmin software folder, then paste it here, replace the folder. The report is replaced. Then you can go to the SchoolAdmin software, then you can view the student report card. Same way you can edit or modify for all these ODT reports as per your requirement. Thanks for watching this video.